What's good, guys? So today is another day, and the intention basically for today is like a vlog, but unfortunately, I can't record when I woke up. But right now, I'm all dressed and about leaving for service, so we'll just pick up the vlogs from here and let's see how today will go down. So there'll be a lot to learn in this vlog, from home to the way to service, back on track. Then also we'll be making a complete breakdown of the chart for the week, so you can have a proper bias at the end of the day, so you can prepare basically for tomorrow. All right, so that will be just very what we do. Let me get my cap before leaving. Yeah, so basically this is my cap. Let me just put this here, and let's let's go. There's no time. There's no time. This my cap is not capping, no? Okay, like this, my Yoruba cap. Yeah. So Alaji Yoruba. Yes, so getting Yoruba wife now. So getting a Yoruba wife now is just what is remaining now. So if you know any of your Yoruba sisters that you want to give to me, please don't hesitate to give me. So I think I'm all dressed. Let's do a drip check. I think I'm all dressed. So I'll be seeing you on the way to church. Alright, voila. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Bridge, how much? 200. I get 500, you get change. Normal. Okay, normal streets. Cruising with the bike.
Of the people thronging around Jesus, no matter how many people around him, I still will touch him. And when I touch him, I will be healed. She could have gone back home. She could have said no, but she was intentional.
We just came back from church, and today's service was impactful and it was awesome. I just hope you also went to church. So let's go back. Let's go to the agenda of the day. Let's go. So back to my screen. Today we're going to also physically you already know that already often, but basically start from the monthly. Yes, so on the monthly we are in an uptrend. Weekly we are also in an uptrend because the market keeps making highs, lows, highs and lows. Right? So currently we can see the market is temporarily in the downtrend temporarily. But until it breaks down this market giving an uptrend, very easy to spot, right? So let's go down to the daily. On the daily, we can temporarily see the market is consolidating. Yes, the market is consolidating. So let's just mark out some zone. So this was the previous low that held the market through from going down. So anything that makes this market break below this zone, then we can see we have changed trend, right? So these are the highest points market has been. These are the highest points market has been. Yeah, this is right? So we can basically see everything here is consolidation from here to the market is actually consolidating. Now let's go down to the 4 hours.
Yes, so basically on the 4 hours, what we are having here is the market is in a consolidation. The market was making series of lows, lower highs. Then the market broke a lower high and created, this is a lower high, created a low and created a new high, awaiting a new low. So for this information, you can see the market has inside the consolidation, the market is now in an uptrend inside the consolidation. All right. So that's what we can just agree on. Very easy. So now, if this is the first move, if all this is the first move, then we should have at least a pullback. So which takes us to the 1 hour time frame. If this is the first move, then we should have at least a 50% retracement. 50% retracement. If this is all the move, we should have a 50% retracement. At least to this zone. All right. So we should be looking towards a 50% retracement. Now, temporarily speaking, after this whole move, right, this is the low that is visible, right? But is this low strong enough to propel a new high? That's what we are going to ask ourselves. Is this low strong enough to propel a new high? My own understanding, I'm not certain that it is strong enough to propel a new high, except the market wants to utilize this, to just break above this current high, then maybe come back here, give us the proper low before going back up. But eventually, the market might buy a little from here to take out this high, but to definitely come back here. So that is what basically we're expecting, because this is not strong enough to propel. Or let's say this is a low, right? This is a low. This is a high. Then we need another. Oh, sorry about that. We need another low in order for it to propel us. So basically, the market is not giving us what a cost of action. So for that reason, we're going to stay away from this market, or we're just going to watch to see how the market unravels. So that will be all for GBPUSD. But before that, a I caught a very good buy last week in GBPUSD. So this is it. When the market was in consolidation and was moving downward, this was a low, this was a high, this is a low, this low, break above this high, created a new high. This was another low that it was created, went up to the equal high, break below this, then gives us an opportunity to buy, and we made profit inside last week market. So this is how last week goes. So basically, this that happened here, still the same thing we're expecting to repeat itself here. All right, because this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, this is the high. So now we're expecting this guy to come and make equal high, take this low out, just like this, then create a new high. Simple as that. So now let's go to another pair, US30. Let's go to US30. So on US30, I took 2 trades on US30 last week, of which this was a loss. This was a win, but I did not execute this trade. All right, I didn't execute this trade. So let's see the market structure of US30. We all know US30 is like S&P 500. It works with the progress of the economy. So the market is always bullish actually. So when the tariff news came out for China last 2 weeks Friday, this brought about the dump, right? Mostly when the market creates a dump, always go back to fill other block that created that. And that is what the market did here. This was the other block that created the dump. All right. I'm not saying I trade other block, but I'm just telling you the market stuff. So this was what created it. The market has gone back to fill it up. Now we can basically say the market is in a temporal consolidation from this zone to this zone. Once the market fills it up, there's always a consolidation. So that's why we are having this undirected move. So basically, we can say this was a low, this is a high, this is a new low, this is a high. So now we'll be expecting another low before a high, pending if there would be a tariff war in this coming week. Well, if there's not going to be any tariff war, then the market structure will just keep going. All right. So that will be all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this. Kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now.